Hello again from Systema Israel. Today we're going to do a drill with 3 different phases. It's very simple. You walk through each other in the way that we walk in a straight line towards someone, and they need to get out of the way. We have one person who is trying to not get touched, and people are going and trying to walk in a straight line towards them. We're going to add 2 different variables, which are acceleration, not speed, acceleration, and different eyesight conditions. We're going to start with simple acceleration. I'll show something that's very simple. If I walk towards someone, even if I do it in a speeding fashion, there's not going to be any excitement in them. There's no change in breath pattern, in spine alignment, and the eyes don't overfocus. But if I introduce speed, it's the same thing because it's a constant. So again, if I run towards him, I'm still keeping the speed as a constant. But if I do things in a dynamic fashion, not run towards someone, not walk towards them, accelerate towards them, it's the same thing as the difference between a fist that is outstretched and a fist that is on its way. So now I'm going to show the difference. Also watch the reaction. So from here, I start walking, I speed up. I come, speed up. Now we're going to show the same thing. Someone is going to be evading, meaning just walking. Just walking. Try to stay in front of the camera. And now we're going to introduce acceleration. One, go, speed towards them. You'll notice that the whole idea of making choices, it's very different when someone is running towards you, accelerating towards you. People slow down and they do things that they normally don't do. Same thing if you catch someone and you try to give them a fist. You know, if it's the fist, if it's straight, again, I come towards you, come out with my fist already up. Not that exciting. But if I come towards him and I come to do it, he moves irrationally. Why? Because we need to keep our focus not on our movement but on our breathing. The breathing creates the movement and allows for continuation of relaxation. Do that a bit more with the speeding up. Accelerate. Pause. You see that the movement is very different spine-wise. Now we're going to introduce the second variable, and that's eyesight. We tend to rely on both eyes, or if you have both of them, but sometimes things are taken from us that we don't expect. So we're going to close one eye, choose one at random, and again you start in a very simple speed. So I close one eye, and people walk towards it, and I need to get out of the way. I'm keeping my eye closed, and I learn to relax my body, to see things through my body movement. Now this is the first drill, and you always start on simple speed. You need to close one eye, just walk through it. Walk through it. And now we're going to do 2 things at the same time. One eye closed and also acceleration. Speeding up towards what's there. Okay, now what what you can see from this is that every movement that you make shows not just where you are going, but also how you are feeling. If you are in a situation where something that is valuable is taken from you, you're going to respond in a different way. If the situation is dynamic, you're also going to respond in a different way. You can see when someone's moving out of the way in a walking pattern, their spine is in alignment. But if they are actually feeling danger, discomfort, you're going to see flexion in the spine, turning in the eyes, and all sorts of other issues that need to be addressed. If you train honestly, all this is going to clean out of your system.